Good morning. We have been on the road for hours and hours and hours. We're finally within about 40 miles of our destination. This morning we're doing Valley of the Gods. So this is going to be a 6-day trip. We're going to end up in Moab at Valley of the Gods, and then Monument Valley, and we're going to get down into New Mexico and go to Shiprock. And when I say we, there's 3 of us here. We got our very trusty and qualified driver, Dave Perkins. Morning, Dave.
Good morning.
Still awake, are you?
Kinda. Don't mention he's the #1 backup.
And then back here in the back, we've got Mr. Chadwick. And he is our navigator. And all 3 of us have brought our drones, so we're gonna try to get some drone shots, and we brought our cameras, and we may even take a still or 2, so let's get started. As you saw, we did all our packing up. We left Dave's house about 12 o'clock midnight last night, a couple minutes after, and drove for 6.5 hours, 6 hours, 45 minutes, something like that. And we are now at the Valley of the Gods here in southern Utah, southeastern Utah to be more precise. It's cold, but it's warming up. It's getting a little bit better now. It was 17 degrees when we got here about 6:45 this morning. So we're gonna catch some light and catch some drone flights. So roll that intro. just a few miles south of the Valley of the Gods is the town of Mexican Hat. Population 31, maybe? Near the town of Mexican Hat is the rock formation that it is named for. I hope you enjoyed this time in Valley of the Gods and Mexican Hat. Coming up in future vlogs will be some exciting places, including some you've probably never heard of. So for now, this is the world's oldest vlogger. Until next time, keep on keeping on.